Namaste. As human beings, we seek love, acceptance, recognition, sympathy, appreciation, etc. from others. But what we forget is that the others also seek the same thing from us. We look for soulmate, the other half, but we ourselves are the other half. Yes, it's true. Have you ever noticed that every single minute the person whom we talk to is our own self? This is the law of universe. We are unable to recognize us in our fullest form, the other half, in the Supreme Self. The inner self, which is the Supreme Self, dwells inside all of us. No one outside of us can give us a solution for all our problems in our life except ourselves. Let's talk to ourselves. Our own self will guide us, teach us, help us in our path to success, happiness, and ultimate bliss. Have you ever been able to find someone who you think can be completely, unconditionally, infinitely be there for you forever? It's an impossibility, because the only person who will be with us always, everywhere, unconditionally, and give us infinite love is our own self. That is called the Supreme Self, who is omnipresent, omnipotent, and dwells inside every human being. But we are so immersed in the physical and the material world that we try to seek everything from outside us, which we think will give us happiness, peace, love, etc. But we go on seeking endlessly in spite of getting happiness and peace, which still seems to be far, far away from us. The reason for which no one knows is because we do not get anything from outside. Let us talk to our own self and find a solution for all the problems and for all the sorrows in our life. The one person who can help ourselves is our own self. We know, you also know, that when we talk to ourselves, sometime or the other, we get a solution in one way or the other. So why do we seek help from others when we know we are the only person who can help ourselves? Let us seek our own divine self. Let us enlighten ourselves. Thank you.